It's unbearably hot. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I wear sunglasses when it's warm out, or when it's bright out. I just like to keep my eyes safe from the brightness that Canada pursues with pure sunlight. So it's, if you guys do the calculations, been 30 degrees in the past 2 days, muggy, and it's not fun. So sitting in the garage, it's nice and cool right now, but you guys know how my driveway works. Unfortunately, the sun's on that side, and I have a little bit of shade on that side, so I gotta get to work ASAP. What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be working with the Mazda 3. It's not exciting, but it's somewhat good information if you guys have this issue. So when Jay owned this car, the door handle broke off, which was kind of expected because it was having some issues, which then he ended up by replacing it because he was on a road trip at the time with a black door handle. This car is 28B, which is gray, so these do not match. Now, I kind of don't notice it, but it's obviously like not cool. So I was at a record the other day getting some parts for the $90 Mazda 3, and I found it absolutely mint 28B gray door handle. So I'm gonna be trying to put this in. I have really no idea how. I took one out barely, and I got this one to put in. So it's very complicated, and there's a very limited area of room to work in, so I can't promise you that I'll be able to show you guys everything, but I'll basically just kind of explain what's going on. If you guys don't feel comfortable with doing this, these are a pain in the ass to remove. I probably wouldn't suggest doing this, but I'm gonna send it anyway because this is a nice door handle. So I'm gonna take you guys, put you on the jank tripod, and I'm gonna show you guys approximately on how to do this. There's only like 2 bolts in here. It's pretty straightforward. Like I said, it's just a tight space. So first off, we're gonna start with taking the door trim off. If you guys are doing this on a different car, probably somewhat the same. You might need some guides to follow you through the steps. Probably the same somewhat for the other Mazda generations. Taking this door off many times. They did make it a little easier on us to take the door handle out by giving us a little pouch area. A couple clips on the back. Of course, these clips don't play nice, so I'm gonna make them play nice. That moment when the clips don't understand what it means to come out. Fam, just come out of the door. Okay, if we're gonna play that, you can just chill. Yeah, honestly, just chill down there. That's cool. So basically, the only way of seeing what you have is looking through the top, popping this grommet, and taking this off. This is held on by a soft glue. It doesn't harden, which means you guys will be able to put this on in the exact space. Don't get the stuff on your fingers. I'm gonna try my best. I unfortunately can't film everything, and I'm really sorry. So your door handle sits like this, but flipped. Okay, so you guys can see. So there is a bolt in the back right here that goes into here. There's a bolt right here as well, which is approximately around this area. Why they have this, so you can see in there a little better. So these are 2 10mm. The one bolt's right here, which is easy to get to. This one back here, so it's a lot trickier, but like I said, that's why they have this. If you guys see this, basically sits in like this. There's a little plastic piece right here. What you would do when it's inside this is fold that little tab over, pull that out, this comes out. That is done. Start by taking this 10 out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off so I can get some extra volume. If you drop this, you are done. You reach my hand in there and grab that. It comes out, so that'll be interesting to put back in. So I think you have to move that, or remove that shield in order to get this bolt. Okay, got that one. Okay, now all the bolts are removed. So I was trying to figure out how to advance, and my lock literally just fell out. I know that the lock has like a locking mechanism, so I just kind of turned it a bit and it just came out. So that's mint. So I opened the door handle, pulled it out. The door handle has come out, which leaves us just like this. I wish I could show you guys more in depth of how this looks like. So let's say it was sitting in there. You open this handle up, you pull it out one side, and then this hooks in the other side. So now we just need to follow those exact same steps when we're putting in our new one. no more foam. And the door has finally been completed. Same door handle. Everything on the inside was put back together, which means the old door handle is out, which means if you guys do a go to wrecker, this is all you need. Might be a little easier instead of, you know, taking a couple things with you. Sammer pulled this out, so you can tell it was by aggressiveness. Old door handle had some dings on it and stuff like that. The new door handle literally almost looks like it was like freshly painted, so it's really nice. Works nice. Everything's in there all right. I'm just a little worried in there. It doesn't look like it's sealing properly, but you know, you push it down sort of thing. I don't know. It's kind of weird. We'll see if that causes any issues, but install complete. Works really good. I think the WD-40 kind of helped out quite a bit too with the door sliding, because it's a little older. I think the car that I pulled it off had around 140,000 kilometers or something. I'm not even actually sure. It could have been higher. This door handle on the original door handle snapped at 216-ish, I think, 1,000 kilometers. So I can't promise it would happen to you. You know, things just get old. Things aren't maintained. I know dealerships normally spray like lubricant in the doors when they get a little older. When you go in for regular maintenance, this car doesn't go in for regular maintenance. I do it myself. I know I've sprayed stuff in there, maybe that kind of just, dried the plastic slider out sort of thing. Who knows? It was replaced, it was easy, it cost me 15 bucks. I got a fresh door handle. Just shows that, you get wrecker things for cheap and just make your car look pretty for absolutely cheap. But anyways guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this on the channel with the Mazda 3. Turn on post notifications, leave a like on the video, and leave a comment if you guys have questions. When I upload this video, I might have hit 10,000 subscribers, so if I have, I want to thank you in advance. I will be making a video next, after this video, probably, because I'm estimated to hit it, this upload or next upload, so I'll make a video. It's a special moment for me, and, I gotta share my thanks, because I beyond words. Anyways, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.